Welcome to the Google Productivity Suite video. My name is Sarah and I thank you for watching. This training is presented by the Niogo Library System, and I want you to know that Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides may be accessed anywhere you have an internet connection, including your local library. Before we begin, please note that you must have a free Google account. You must be able to sign into your account, that is, you know your Google ID and its password. If you don't, you won't be able to get to these specific features in Google. If you need an account, please see my video, Sign Up for Google Email. Like I said, it's free to sign up and you'll need to sign in before we continue. As a matter of fact, I'm going to sign into my account right now. Now that we're signed in, take a look at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. See the black and white grid pattern here? This is what we'll click on to see the first product, Google Docs. If you're like me and you don't see Docs immediately on this screen, click the More link seen here and find Docs. Click once. Let's start a blank template, just so we can examine some of the commands and options available through Docs. We can see here that it's much like Microsoft Word, but simpler. We have our menu bar here along the top, as you can see the drop downs coming up, and we have a toolbar down here. Using Docs is a great way to practice. See the options on the menu bar and the toolbar here above this page? One of the big options or commands missing is the Save command. Uh-oh, you say, what? I need that. You're right. You should be saving your document about every 10 minutes, because whether you're a great typist or a lousy typist, 10 minutes is a lot of work. Well, Google will actually automatically save your document into your new Google Drive. Along with your new Google account comes the drive. You have 15 gigabytes of cloud storage you may access anywhere from any device with an internet connection. Notice the print command here. This is important because you may want to print a resume, letter, or even a recipe, or anything else you want to keep handy with you. If you're in the library, be sure to ask how much it is to print a page. The cost varies from place to place. Let's move over here to the upper left-hand corner and go to our Docs home. Once we're here, we notice that it says Main Menu in the same location, upper left-hand corner. I'm going to click there and then I'm going to click on Sheets. Google Sheets is a similar program to Microsoft Excel. It is a spreadsheet program that allows you to do mathematical formulas, tabulate data, and create charts quickly. I want to take a moment here to point out the template gallery with its up and down arrows seen here. You may choose a template to work with. A template is nothing more than a pre-made sheet that has formulas and other things in it that you may work on. Using templates can be a fun way to learn more about what sheets can do, how to insert formulas, and get new ideas. If we create a new blank sheet, we'll see it's very similar to Google Docs. Looking at the menu bar seen here and the toolbar seen here, we can see what we can do with a sheet. One thing that's quite important in Sheets is the function option. Functions are underneath the Insert tab on your menu bar. See function here. When I mouse over function, I see some of the most commonly used functions here, but I also get a More link. Let's click the More link. This is where you may find all the different functions in Google Sheets. Functions are the same as formulas or equations. They all mean the same thing. This is where you may find all the different functions in Google Sheets. Here we see that we may harness the power of Google to search for hundreds of different functions or formulas to use within Sheets. Opening the More link actually opened a new tab in our browser, so we need to close this to go back to our sheet. Once at the sheet, we can go to Sheets Home, seen here in the left-hand corner, and again back to the main menu. Now we're going to click on Slides. Here again, we see our new presentations with the template gallery. I'm going to click on a blank presentation, and when the presentation loads, we see again the standard menu and toolbars and also themes seen here along the side. This was a brief introduction to using the Google Productivity Suite. For further instructions, please call or visit your local library and find out about hands-on training labs. Thank you.